Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, June 4th, 2020. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Before we begin, please, if you enjoyed these video discussions, please like, share, subscribe, let your friends and family know where you get your favorite weather information from. So after a very stormy afternoon yesterday with some impressive thunderstorms, and in one case, yesterday afternoon, we had a derecho that moved through southeastern Pennsylvania and central and southern New Jersey with some impressive wind gusts. Today it's going to be a lot quieter, okay? So we start off the morning with temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s in the New York City metro, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Philadelphia metro. Winds are generally light. We still have some areas of fog, especially up towards the Catskills here. Other than that, there's some scattered or broken cloud cover and visibility ranging anywhere from 7 to 10 miles. On our surface map, our stationary front is to the north of us. We're watching this low pressure system here for showers tomorrow, and then this cold front moving through by the time we get to Saturday with the potential for showers and strong, possibly severe thunderstorms. We'll have to keep an eye on that as that cold front moves through. And behind that cold front, we get a real change in our air mass as we drop the humidity and also the temperatures by Sunday. On our latest satellite picture, you can see some of those scattered broken clouds moving into the region from the west, and that's going to continue to remain the case on through today. There's a threat for an isolated shower or two, but again, nothing like what we saw yesterday, and overall, pretty much a tranquil and dry day for most locations. A little bit closer to home, you can see those clouds streaming in from the west as the sun is rising. Meanwhile, down towards the tropics, we remain active. We have Tropical Storm Cristobal that we're keeping an eye on. It's currently centered right over the southwestern portion of the Yucatan Peninsula with winds of 40 miles per hour and a pressure around 998 millibars. Now, Cristobal is going to get picked up by a trough in the Gulf of Mexico and get drawn northward. That's going to allow it to move over the very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Now, there's a question of how much it will intensify. Overall, if you have friends and family, let's say around Louisiana, I would definitely keep an eye on this storm, as we have seen in the past where these tropical systems can rapidly intensify. The overall expectations for this to weaken into a tropical depression today because it's sitting over land, and then re-intensify back into a tropical storm. Before it makes landfall on Sunday night, it's expected to have winds of 60 miles per hour. It may reach that hurricane strength if we get enough strengthening and there isn't too much shear or dry air involved here. So we'll have to watch that very carefully. We also want to see where the moisture from this storm ends up, as it might have an impact for us by the time we get to about Thursday. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Watch out for a few isolated showers, otherwise scattered broken cloud cover. Temperatures range from the upper 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, look for scattered broken cloud cover, some fog, a little bit of drizzle, and isolated showers possible. Lows in the mid to upper 60s. For tomorrow, still a threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Nothing heavy is expected at this point, okay? But still watch out for one of those passing thunderstorms producing very heavy downpours. Temperatures tomorrow will rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. On Saturday, a stronger cold front, which will be right here, will be moving through the region on Saturday with showers and thunderstorms. And depending on the timing of the cold front, some of those thunderstorms may be severe. Temperatures on Saturday will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and upper 70s to mid 80s for highs. On Sunday, much better. High pressure and complete control with clearing skies, much lower humidity, lows in the mid to upper 50s, highs in the lower to mid 70s. There's Cristobal approaching the Gulf Coast here and heading towards Louisiana. On Monday, high pressure remains in control around here with clear skies and scattered cloud cover. Temperatures will range from the upper 40s to mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 70s for highs. Meanwhile, Cristobal will be moving into Louisiana with very heavy rain on the Gulf Coast. And then we're going to have to watch to see the interaction of the moisture and the low pressure system with this cold front here and how those interact as it's pushing off towards the country, towards our neck of the woods. Now on Tuesday, high pressure and complete control. Clear skies, tranquil conditions, lows in the lower to mid-50s, highs in the upper 70s to mid-80s. On Wednesday, look for increasing cloud cover, which scattered with temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, mid to upper 80s for highs. And then here's the remnants of crystal ball. Here's that cold front, here's our warm front. On Thursday, that all lifts up towards our area with tropical moisture in tow, so there is potential here for some heavier downpours with some of these showers and thunderstorms as the warm front lifts through, followed by the cold front later in the day. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid-60s for lows and upper 60s to mid-70s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.